What's ringing, guys? It's Carl the Ring here. Welcome to week 4 of the Beaumont College fire alarm test. Can't believe it's been 4 weeks already. What does everybody think? And I hope Lorraine, our manager behind us, is ready to have a drink from the lifestyle. And the noses are red.
Just your alarm.
Just a little joke for everyone, but if you're ready, we'll test this KAC FR 070 first. Yeah. No.
No.
Why, Sarah? Why should it?
Come on, you.
Why should it? Double, you've been in the Higgledy House video.
Go on. Oh, you're doing that one.
You've been in the Higgledy House video. If anyone doesn't remember, Sarah appeared in the Higgledy House pie video. Jeez, this takes a while. Finally. I'm going to leave that one for the last because that one doesn't sound for very long. Jeez. Alright, now we're going to test the KAC now. And as everyone sees, we finally got the egg chair moved so it's not in the way of the call point. I'm now gonna go get them ones done over there. Yeah, our amazing manager and Cookie, and I see that Sarah is soloing us and not. I'm not holding the door this week. That's an adorable move for her to make. Now we're going to test this one, and then all we've got is the one by the in the entrance to upstairs, and the other one. You're having a drink from the lifestyle. Now all we need is this one and then the one over by the upstairs entrance. Okay. Just 2 more now so everyone knows.
Don't worry if you feel like that.
Alright, now to test this one and then. Yep, that's locked. I thought you were waiting over there.
I was holding that over to you.
No, I don't need that one, hell. And we got Donna Kebab next to us, who I hope will appear in a Kyle the Ringer video once. Now the last one. And there we go. So hopefully next time, so we could just hold it up like that. There's only this door gets held up and next time. But I hope everybody's ready. Next week is week 5, but after that there'll be a break for about a week or 2 because of half term. So week 6 will happen in April sometime. So I hope everybody, yeah, week 5 next week on Friday the 31st. Then week 6, I don't know when it will happen, but I hope everybody's ready for week 5, and I hope everybody has enjoyed this one. So if you enjoyed it, then please subscribe for future content, and until next time, ring out, or should I say, sound out.
Check it out. Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content. And until next